Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a little flock of chickens like we do, then you know how messy these birds can be. But having this awesome pooper scooper from Wofypetny has been so helpful for us. We use this both in the coop and in our run, and it is an awesome addition to our cleaning routine. Our chickens can get quite messy, as you know, and so it's important that we always keep their areas clean. What I really love about this specific scooper is it's extendable. So whether we're cleaning up short distances in the coop or long distances in our run, we're able to use the same exact scooper. I also really like the spacing in the basket itself. We use straw as our base, and so it's important for us to be able to save and not waste that as much as possible. So using this scooper, all of the good straw sifts right through, and all we're getting out of it is the waste. It's super easy to put together with just a few quick twists, and it's really easy to adjust to. You simply unscrew the little black areas, and then the handle just slides back and forth, and I can tighten it right up. Utilizing this scooper allows us to clean more efficiently. Before this, we were just using a shovel, and we really wasted a lot of bedding. So I'm really happy that when we use this, it's more effective and efficient for us, and we're not wasting all of the bedding like we were before. So if you're trying to keep your coop clean for your girls, I would definitely recommend this little scooper here. It's super effective, lightweight, and easy to use. But that's just our point of view.